All right, guys, so I'm getting ready to go wait in line for potentially, well, it's actually the first time in my life for a graphics card this early. I've gone maybe right at opening, but we're going hours and hours early. We're actually leaving, it's Thursday night, and we're gonna go down and wait at a Silver Knights drop for Black Friday. So there's apparently supposed to be 3090s, some 3060s, 3060 Ti's, some Radeon cards. I want a 3090. I don't have a 3090. Wish me luck. So let me know when you're ready, Dan.
Just don't record back this way.
I'm not driving, by the way.
That's beautiful. Oh,
Hands free.
It's gonna scream here in a second. Now watch.
He's like, hey, motherfucker.
Put your hands back on the steering wheel.
But why? You're doing it.
Well, all right, guys, we're on the road, and as you hear, I have a couple people with me. So some Discord guys were just like, hey, get out of bed. We got to go buy graphics cards. And so we're on the way down there, and we got to go get our spot in line. So cut to the clip of this extremely long line. By the way, I estimated that it's almost 1 a.m. They open at 9. I'm gonna say there's 7 people in line right now. We'll go ahead and what's your estimate?
I'm going with 10.
10?
69.
And
25.
25. Okay, so we'll see who's closest. So cut to that clip now. All right, so I guessed 7 people. I think I win.
Well, we're definitely eating chow.
There it is, guys.
Wow. Who the fuck posted that there was like a...
Yeah, somebody posted somewhere that there's people waiting outside.
He better be around this fucking corner sleeping.
All right, we're gonna go get some food, and then we'll be back to get in line.
They pushed it back to June. I hate that I'm gonna get into this. It's too logical. The ROI is too good.
Ready for a dog red zebra?
All right, guys, so I made it back. My phone died, and I didn't get any clips on the way back, but me and all my buddies ended up scoring some 3090s, courtesy thanks to Silver Knights. Those guys really did hook it up. They said they're gonna have some more drops coming up in the future, so check out their social media. I'll put their Facebook page down below. That's where they seem to be keeping stuff the most updated at the moment. But yeah, I ended up scoring me a EVGA XC3 Ultra RTX 3090. This is my first RTX 3090, so I'm pretty pumped about that. From what I read online, these are mostly pretty good with the thermal pads, so hopefully this one I don't have to do any pad swapping or anything like that. But man, waiting in line or waiting in front of a store from the night before to that next morning, it really took it out of me. And man, it made me feel older than I probably am. But I would definitely do it again for the right card, for the right price. If they had the same drop, these were $19.99. If they had the same drop, I'd probably do it again. As long as I can go with my friends. It's not something I would do alone. But yeah, I am like, I got home. It's already night from the next day. So Thursday night after Thanksgiving, we drove all the way down there. We got some food. We hung out. We camped outside. They finally opened the doors at 9 a.m. That's when they opened. And then I went inside, and me and my buddies were the first 4 in line. The line really didn't start forming until about 5 or 6 a.m. That's when people started stacking up, and it got, I don't know, last time I counted it, maybe 25, 30 plus people. And then there was more people sitting in the cars in the parking lot. So we really didn't have to get down there till about 3 or 4 a.m. But that's the part that you don't know. You never know when the line's going to start forming. Sometimes the lines start forming, you know, a day, 2 days ahead of time. That's just one of the unknown variables. But I'm still happy. It all turned out good. But man, it took it out of me. I got back home and I sat on the couch and I just kind of like went into a little sleep coma, and I just now come out of it. So yeah, I know my wife's like, "Are you okay?" And I'm just like, "I'm just trying to catch up." Like, technically I did sleep down there a little bit, but not much. So yeah. Well, anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Sorry this video wasn't more. I had planned on like getting clips and stuff and trying to talk to people while I was down there, but by the time that next morning rolled around, I wasn't feeling very friendly. So if you guys were down there and I didn't talk to you very much, or I didn't talk to you at all, it wasn't me, or it wasn't you, it was me. I was just kind of grumpy. I was ready to get the card and go, and I didn't sleep very well. So yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna head off. I'm gonna get this bad boy plugged in and dialed in and all that kind of stuff, and I'll do a video on it probably for tomorrow. Yeah, my first 3090. I feel like I got a big boy card now. You know what I'm saying? I wanted more of these, but I haven't been able to find them for the right price. People are reselling these things, and it's just getting ridiculous. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna let you go. I'm not gonna hold you up anymore. Peace out, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Adios. Oh, and you know what? Drop a comment down below. If you went into Silver Knights and were able to get a card, let me know. I'm curious how many people that are actually watching go down there. I know I did talk to a couple guys in line right behind me, and they drove, you know, almost 4 hours to get there. So it looks like people were actually making a little bit of a drive to get out there. Later. Bye.